Welcome to another segment of ACRP TV. Today, our spotlight is on promoting clinical trial workforce diversity in Texas and New Mexico. We're talking about a very specific program we're very excited about. ACRP's got a bit of involvement and we're fired up about it too. We've got a great guest with us today to talk about it. Michaele Linden-Johnson, who is MCA's Director of Clinical Trials and Business Development. Michaele, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having us.
So let's talk about this very specific program. Often on ACRP TV, we talk to people, and it's really great to raise awareness about this issue. It needs to be done. We've been trying to contribute to that. Lots of others have, raising awareness, but now it's time to sort of get a little more granular and start doing some specific things. That's very much what you all are doing here. Tell us about this program.
Yeah, thank you so much for having us. We're excited about this program. This program is many years in the making. It took a lot of local and national collaborators to come together to make happen. So we are excited to finally be at this point. It's a program that is sponsored by Bristol Myers Squibb, and it's in partnership with you all, ACRP. The ultimate goal of the program looks to grow our clinical research infrastructure. So simply what that means is just growing our workforce and growing the number of clinical research sites in our region.
And a lot of the goal is to grow a workforce that more closely mirrors the patient population, right?
That's correct. The region that we represent, the Medical Center of the Americas Foundation, just to give you a background, was founded in 2006. We're a nonprofit that looks to grow a globally competitive life science ecosystem for our region. By region, I mean the region that we are responsible for growing includes El Paso, Texas, Las Cruces, New Mexico, and Juarez, Mexico. That population is comprised of over 1.5 million people. It's one of the largest binational biomedical clusters in the United States, along the US-Mexico border. So by increasing our clinical research workforce and number of sites, we're talking about increasing minority, particularly Hispanic representation in clinical research.
Fantastic. Now, you and I are speaking in early August 2021. The official program, I think, is close to being announced. So by the time this segment airs, it will probably be public knowledge and people will have the information about the official program. Can you give us a little bit of your timetable and some of your goals? How are you measuring success here?
Okay, yeah. Well, here's how the program really works. The program is set to launch in September. You all will provide our instructors, our experienced CRC instructors here in existing sites here in our region, with the curriculum. ACRP provides a curriculum. Our job is to go out and recruit investigators and sites, as well as the clinical research, entry-level clinical research professionals that will participate in this curriculum. Again, the instructors will be our experienced clinical research coordinators that will be trained up by you all to lead your clinical research coordinator training. It's called the Core Competency CRC training. And then our investigators will have access to the e-learning portal to do self-directed self-learning. And then they'll have some coaching following that training to answer any questions they have. In parallel to the training, we will also be going out to our community. As you know, well, clinical research historically has been conducted at academic medical centers. We know that to grow a competitive clinical research hub, we need to grow the number of our community-based sites so that patients can have access to advanced care and the care of their primary care physician. So in addition to training up our future workforce, we will also be just doing a dog and pony show, going out and meeting with all kinds of clinics here in our region to let them know about clinical research, to help them understand the various pathways they can take to conduct research in a way that's sustainable. There's a lot of ways to conduct research, as you know, that's not sustainable. We have assembled a number of partners that we're going to introduce these clinics to that have an interest in conducting research if they decide to move forward. And then if for those that decide not to partner with a regional or national site to assist them to conduct research, we will also, the MCA will help support those sites wanting to just build their own infrastructure to conduct research. So all of that to say that it's a 12-month program. It's not a proven program. It's our first try at it. We will be measuring outcomes as we go along to demonstrate that the program really does reach measurably meet the goals that we are striving to achieve.
Very exciting. I know at ACRP, we're very proud and honored to be part of this and helping to support it and applauding the work you all are doing. So I want to thank you so much for doing this. This has been our ACRP TV Spotlight. We've been looking at promoting clinical trial workforce diversity in New Mexico and Texas with Michaele Linden-Johnson, the MCA's Director of Clinical Trials and Business Development. Michaele, once again, thank you for joining us and for this important initiative.
Thank you so much, Michael. I really appreciate it. Look forward to giving you guys an update when we can.
We will follow up. Fantastic.